Imagine this. You're watching your favorite movie, and suddenly you understand everything without subtitles. You're traveling abroad, confidently ordering food, making new friends, and handling any situation in English. Sounds amazing, right? Well, I have good news. You can achieve this. And guess what? I learned English by myself, without expensive courses or private tutors. Today, I'll tell you exactly how I did it and how you can do it too. Why I wanted to learn English. I come from Sucre, a small department in Colombia. My hometown Isquiote, mostly made up of farmers and fishermen. Growing up, English wasn't something people around me focused on. It felt distant, unnecessary, but deep inside, I knew that if I wanted better opportunities, I had to learn it. At first, I didn't see the real value of English, but over time, I realized how much I was missing out on. When I watched movies, I couldn't understand the dialogues without subtitles. When I listened to music, I could enjoy the melody but had no idea what the lyrics meant. And when I wanted to read interesting books or articles, most of them were in English. I felt limited. One day, I watched an interview with one of my favorite celebrities. I was excited to hear what they had to say, but there were no subtitles. I only understood a few words, and that moment hit my needed to do something about. But it wasn't just about entertainment. English could change my future. I knew that speaking English would open doors for me, not only in Colombia, but around the world. Years later, I achieved something I never imagined. I became a teacher. In the United States, this journey wasn't easy, but learning English was the key that unlocked this incredible opportunity. Now, let's talk about you. How can you start learning English effectively? I'll share the exact strategies that worked for me, and I'll be posting videos on this channel to explain each one in detail. But for now, here are 3 practical steps to get you started. First, surround yourself with English. Change your phone, apps, and social media to English. Listen to English music and try to understand the lyrics. Watch movies and series in English, first with subtitles, then without. Second, practice speaking every day. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing, what you see, or how you feel. Find a language partner online or use apps that connect learners with native speakers. Record yourself speaking and listen to your pronunciation. Third, learn with context. Not just rules instead of memorizing grammar rules. Learn phrases and expressions in real-life situations. Use apps, but also practice by writing small texts about your day. Read simple books, news articles, or even social media posts in English. Stay motivated and keep learning. The beginning is always the hardest, but if you stay consistent, you will improve. And remember, you're not alone. I'll be sharing detailed strategies in upcoming videos, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If I could do it, so can you. Let's make this journey together. See you in the next video.